Hey, it's Sammy. On Friday, May 23rd, we took 9 trades today and got 288 points on the Dow futures. Let's take a look and see how everything played out. Now the market just made a massive like 400 point drop over to the left. This is our signature soda reversal process. We're actually going long here now. The reversal process is when all the data starts to decay and the short time frame data flips. As the market's moving, we're just going to lock in 30 points. We were trailing the trade, we locked the trade, and you can see it did hit our target, but we're not afraid of leaving money on the table. Alright, so now we're going short, our data is starting to roll back over. We don't have a tremendous amount of confluence here though, so this is probably a little bit riskier of a trade. The market already ran, it hasn't opened yet, so we're going to make sure that we trail our stop really aggressively on this trade. Now as I came down to this red line, which is deviation 1, I should have locked in, I had plenty of points there. Trail the stop at plus 12, it's going to get hit, so it's a plus 12, kind of almost a break-even trade for me. Okay, so we're back at that red deviation line. We're going to jump back in that trade. Our data's starting to form. Now remember, this market ran really aggressive overnight. It's only 9 o'clock in the morning right now, so we're going to be a little bit more conservative. We're trailing our stop, and we can see we're going to get hit with a plus 5, which is basically a break-even trade, but plus 5 nonetheless. Alright, this is our opening trade. Now we can look over to the left, you see that big pin right there, that last stop hunt pin. This red line has been holding price for the last like half an hour, so we're going long here. We've got our short time frame data running again. Now we're testing support, this green line and this 50 Fibonacci from underneath. So what we're going to do is, as we punch up through this here, we're going to manually lock in 44 points. You can see how the market stalled out on that green line, but now we punched through it. We had our entry again. We re-got into the trade. We're heading back up now. We picked up a little more data, and on this trade, we're going to lock in 53 points. Our original target was that pink line up there, so we're taking this 150 point trade and chopping it into 3 smaller trades, getting out at each level. So now we're going back in this trade, and as it's running, we're going to take 35 points out of this trade. It did eventually hit and stall out on VWAP, that pink line. As you can see, we took it all the way up to VWAP. It's tested VWAP 2 times. Value area high is up here. VPOC moved up here. Everything has been consolidated here for about the last 15-20 minutes. We're going to go ahead and long through value area high and VWAP. Now I know we got our trailing stop up here at 30 points, but we're going to go ahead and lock in 41 points on this trade. So you can see we're rejecting the value area high. We're coming back down, trying to seek balance. We're right here at VWAP, looking at VPOC, that 200 moving average right down there. We've got just short time frame data only, so we're going to take this trade and see if we can work our way down. We did trail our stop to a plus 30, but as we punch through this white 200 moving average, we're going to lock in 39 points. The same thing again, this is at the end of the day, and you can see we're coming through the value area high. I was heading down to VWAP, that pink line. Now this trade actually did make it all the way down there in a couple minutes after I got out, but what we did here was we're going to use a trailing stop of plus 30. As the market punches through, it's going to come back and take us out with plus 30, and we're done for the day. Have a great Memorial Day weekend.